What is the best coffee brewing method? The best coffee brewing method depends on personal preference, as different methods can produce different flavor profiles and strengths of coffee. However, some popular brewing methods include 1. Pour over. This involves pouring hot water over coffee grounds in a filter cone. It allows for precise control over the brewing process, producing a clean and flavorful cup of coffee. 2. French press. This method involves steeping coffee grounds in hot water for a few minutes, then pressing down a plunger to separate the coffee from the grounds. It produces a full-bodied and rich cup of coffee. 3. Aeropress. This is a manual brewing method that uses pressure to extract the coffee. It produces a clean and smooth cup of coffee. 4. Espresso. This is a concentrated shot of coffee produced by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee under high pressure. It is used as a base for many coffee drinks and produces a rich and strong cup of coffee. 5. Cold brew. This involves steeping coffee grounds in cold water for an extended period, usually 12 to 24 hours. It produces a smooth and low-acid coffee concentrate that can be served over ice or mixed with water, milk, or other flavors. Ultimately, the best coffee brewing method is the one that produces a cup of coffee that you enjoy the most.